welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, so I am at one of the Dollar Trees in this area and I'm in the auto section. So I'm looking for a couple of things, so I thought I'd bring you with me. So these are the longer cable ties. You only get 16 in this one. It's the length I'm looking at, and I like the fact that they have them in black. Here they have them in multi sizes. You get 123 pieces here, guys, so that's pretty good. So I have to decide on the cable ties. I do like these black ones. These are great for when you're making wreaths, and I do like the white ones as well. Here you have the masking tape, the clear tape, the duct tape. On the bottom you have these pails, which I like. And then you even have some painting sets. That's pretty neat. There you have like their little mini toolbox, and here's some more duct tape. Now, here you have the super glue. You have lots of them, guys. And look at this little tiny pack. You also have the epoxy, which is really good. Now, I've never seen the mounting tape, the permanent mounting tape. I'm gonna pick up what I need later on. Now, here is the liquid cement glue I'm always using, and right next to that is the Fix-All adhesive all the way to the top. Here, the little foam tape, okay, and the super glue. Now, this wood glue, I can definitely tell you works great. I've used it multiple times in my DIYs, and here is some electrical tape. This is a double pack, guys. All right, so you have some of those cones, and these hooks work really well. There are the screws right there behind it. So they have it in white and they have it in black. They have the poly rope, and these are the painting cups. That's what I call them. Oh, look at this. They even have the safety eyewear. So this Dollar Tree always seems to have a lot more than the other Dollar Trees I go to. So these are really good. A long reach and pickup stick. These are the air pumps. And here are the gardening gloves. Now, I never seen these. So here's the plastic tent stakes. That's new. I've never seen that. And here are the hooks. More of the poly rope. And then you have these tools, a screwdriver, the small and the bigger one. And then this is the diamond braided rope. Got a whole bunch of them here. Sandpaper. Okay. There's the painting sponges. Okay, and then you have the holder. Those are nice. And then here are all the brushes, guys, and the foam ones. I have a lot of stuff in this section. So here's the all-purpose cork. And look at this. These are all nice. They're new. Look at this measuring tape. This is nice for the Dollar Tree. Very nice. Here's the door stoppers. The edge trimmers. I never seen that. And what are these? So these are corner cushions. I know they've never sold that at any of the other Dollar Trees. So you have some empty shelves here. What is this? Plastic bonder. I'd like to try that. Some more hooks over here, command hooks. And look, the levelers. So this is pretty neat, guys. And look how big that is. Some more duct tape. And now don't forget the prices. Remember, the prices are hopefully underneath the product. This is an electrical cord. Here's some light bulbs. And then here, these are some clamps. Those are $5 a piece. Okay, and then you have some more light bulbs over here along the bottom. Some night lights, LED. Okay, I like these. So you have some cables over here. Here's a touch light. Okay. Oh, look, they have mouse pads. And then here is a mouse pouch. What is this? This is a phone holder. What are these? Assorted cable management kits. All right, let's go over to the other side. All right, so here we have this is the pet section. Okay. All right, so we have some cat litter along the bottom, some food, 9 lives, these are $5. Some toys, these are so cute. A little SpongeBob. Oh, and look, they even have the thrower. So this is pretty cool. Nala is too big for this one. So if you had a little small dog, this would be nice. And then their toys. Nala would tear this up, so I can't get anything like this, like the ketchup. That's so cute. The kisses. The ropes are usually pretty good for Nala, but she's kind of grown out of this stuff. Then you have some of this more cat food. The brushes to brush them. Okay. This one here, it just says pet brush. Okay. The scoopers. And here's even the nail clippers if you need to cut their nails. And this is the collapsible bowl. This is great to have in the car along with the waste bags. Then you have the dog food over here. The puppy training pads. Isn't this amazing, the stuff that Dollar Tree is carrying? This is the double chew toy. So this one here is the one I have for Nala. Then they have their chews, the rawhide, and these snacks, canned dog food. They have a lot of stuff here. And then right next to that is the auto section, okay? So you got some cleaning stuff, some windshield wiper fluid, car wash and wax right here. And then fresheners for the car, which I think is cool. Look at this, the cassette. And then this is the guitar, pretty neat. Look at this. What is this? So this is the Shift Knob Novelty Hoodie. Is that not cute? Look at this one in blue and there's one in red. Car air fresheners. Let's see. So you have all the fluids, and here is the car sunshade, and these are really great for cleaning the car. And so are these. This is really nice, the one with the handle. And look at this, the bling car hooks. That's nice. And this is car cleaning brush kit. So that's really nice. And then here's the car pressure gauge. You know what? I may get that just to toss it in the car for emergencies. You got a funnel over here, and here you have. All right, somebody put these toy walkie-talkies here, but here you have this cute little bed. Nina can probably fit in here. I don't know. So these are $6. All right, guys. So I just got through walking you through this aisle. I'll pick up my stuff after. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.